Welcome to our course on game service in the HMS ecosystem. Contents covered in this tutorial are game service introduction, project setup, game initialization, sign in, getting player info, saving player info, achievements, basic game information, an introduction to leaderboard essential requirements, list of important game service leaderboard APIs, and implementation. Game service introduction. With Huawei Game Service, we will have access to a range of development capabilities. We can promote our game quickly and efficiently to Huawei's vast user base by having users sign in using their Huawei IDs. We can also use the service to quickly implement achievements, game events, and game addiction prevention functions, build basic game capabilities at a low cost, and perform in depth game operations based on user and content localization. The features of games are as follows: sign in, real name authentication, achievements, events, leaderboard, saved game, and player statistics. HMS Game Service Required Settings. Create a project in Android Studio. Get SHA key. Create a game app in App Gallery Connect. Provide the SHA key in the information section. Provide storage location. Enable game service. Download the AG Connect service.json file and add it under app directory. In project label build.gradle file, add the Maven URL inside the repositories of build script and all project section respectively. Add the class path and dependencies section. In app label build.gradle file, apply the plugin and add the dependencies. Sync the project. Game initialization. Add the following code to the onCreate method of the application to register the callback listening function of the activity. Sign in. Before playing the game, user need to sign in first.
No.
Now we will see how to get the player info. Once user sign in with Huawei account and play the game, we can get the player information using Huawei Game Service.
Koni?
Now we will see how to save player information. We can get the player's client instance using the Huawei ID. Create an instance of app player info. Set the information details. Call save player info on player's client instance and pass the app player info object.
Kitchen.
Now we will see how to add achievement. At first, we will understand why to add achievement. Developers once engage their users. To make sure user uses application all the time, achievement is a great way to increase users' engagement in the game. Achievement will have the badges or some points based progress so that user can compare their progress with the other game players so that they will get motivation to play the game. Here are some attributes of achievements. ID. It's a unique achievement string ID generated by AGC. Name. Achievement short name can be maximum of 100 characters. Description. It's an attribute which explains user to earn this achievement. It can be maximum of 500 characters. Icon. It's an image of achievement where it will be displayed after earning the achievement. It can have maximum resolution of 512 into 512. State. There are three states of achievement. Hidden state. A hidden achievement means that the details about the achievement are hidden from the player. Such achievements are equipped with a generic placeholder description and icon while in a hidden state. Revealed state. A revealed achievement means that the player knows about the achievement but has not yet earned it. If you wish to show the achievement to the player at the start of the game, you can configure it to this state. Unlocked state. An unlocked achievement means that the player has successfully earned the achievement. This state is configurable and must be earned by the player. After the player achieves this state, a pop-up will display at the top of the game page. Steps. Achievements can be designated as standard or incremental. An incremental achievement involves a player completing a number of steps to unlock the achievement. This predefined number of steps are known as achievement steps. List order. The order in which the current achievement appears among all of the achievements. It is designated during achievement configuration. In this slide, we will see how to add achievements in AG Console. In AG Console, click on Operate tab. Go to Products, Game Achievements. Click on Create. Set the configuration related to achievement, such as name, description, state of achievement, list order, etc. and click on Save. After achievements added in the list, we can release by clicking on Release button. If the achievement is under review state, then status will be shown in the list as waiting for review. Basic game information. Here we will see how to get the basic game information from Huawei server. Create a game summary client using auth Huawei ID. Get the game summary task and add listener. On success callback, get the game details. On failure listener callback, we can get the exception details. Introduction to leaderboard. Now, we will get to know what is leaderboard. Leaderboard is often used in games to signify the ranks of people who play various titles. Players are ranked with other players based on their gaming skills. Leaderboards can provide an incentive for players to improve as they may give a sense of superiority or accomplishment. Now, we will understand how leaderboard is managed. When we create a leaderboard, the Huawei Games Services will take care of managing most aspects of this leaderboard for us. The typical process works like submit player's score, updating leaderboard, displaying leaderboard in game, time frame, etc. Leaderboard essential requirements. To use the leaderboard feature, we need to enable the game services in Huawei App Gallery. Now, steps to create leaderboard in App Gallery Connect. First, we need to sign in to AG console and select My Apps. Select an app from the app list to create a leaderboard. Click the Operate tab and choose Products Leaderboard and click Create. Configure the leaderboard information such as name, score format, icon, ordering, etc. The attributes associated with leaderboard are as follows: ID, name, score, score format, custom unit, icon, ordering mode, limits, multi-language, and list order. Check your leaderboard ID on the event list and properly save the ID for development. Now, we will go through list of important game service leaderboard APIs. Get rankings client. This method is used to initialize leaderboard. We need to obtain instance of rankings client. Set ranking switch status. This method is used to allow players' score to appear on leaderboard. Submit ranking score. This method is used to submit the score. Get current ranking summary. This method is used to obtain leaderboard. Get current player ranking score. This method is used to display score of current player. Get ranking top scores. This method obtains scores on the first page of a leaderboard. Now we will see the implementation. Get the Huawei ID auth params instance. Get the sign-in intent. Start the activity. On activity result, get the Huawei auth ID. To initialize the leaderboard, call set ranking switch status on rankings client instance. Add the listener for success and failure. Now, we will go through a demo. During game, whenever any event happens, such as winning, losing, scoring, we can update them in the leaderboard using leaderboard APIs. To get the player info details, we can use player client instance to get the details.
No result.
Here are some common FAQs based on Huawei Game Service. These are some useful links. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.